Pain reduction by 95% is a result of successful knee replacement surgery at Zdislava Hospital. After the intervention, patients stop taking painkillers and enjoy the freedom of movement. Continue an overview of top knee arthroplasty offers provided by Zdislava Hospital. You will learn more about programs for 1 or 2 knee joint replacements and re-arthroplasty. Zdislava Hospital is a top center for robotic surgery in the Czech Republic, where doctors have performed over 6,000 complex surgeries. Patients get access to the latest implant generation and computer navigation to place them precisely. Doctors use all sizes and types of implants produced in Europe: Zimmer Biomet, Mathis, Lima, Johnson & Johnson. The hospital has an intensive care unit, laboratory, and a cardiological outpatient department to serve people with severe comorbidities and special care requirements. How is knee replacement surgery proceed? First day, a clinic's representative meets you at the airport and delivers to the clinic. You undergo preoperative examination. During the second and third days, knee replacement surgery followed by stay in the intensive care unit. During the 4th and 7th days, initial rehabilitation with individual physiotherapy. During the 8th to the 20th days, intensive rehabilitation with individual physiotherapy. On the 21st day, the final survey and transfer to the airport. A special offer for knee arthroplasty includes an airport clinic airport transfer, preoperative examination, admission in a single room, and 3 meals a day. Implants produced by Johnson & Johnson, Mathis, or Zimmer. Surgery with general or combined anesthesia. Medicines, consumables, crutches, stockings, a gown, and a cosmetic kit. Daily visits by an orthopedic doctor, and medical supervision 24/7. Interpreting services and final examination. The cost of 1 knee joint replacement is $8,500. The cost of 2 knee joints replacement or re-arthroplasty is $16,000. To achieve the maximum result from the implant installation, doctors recommend an additional rehabilitation course to establish the optimal range of motions and strengthen the muscle corset. The cost of a comprehensive rehabilitation program is $1,000 per week. Patients stay in single rooms of advanced comfort. They are equipped for people with reduced mobility, a multifunctional bed, a communication system with a nurse, and a barrier-free bathroom. The rooms also have a TV, Wi-Fi, a bathrobe, towels, a closet, and a corner for communicating with visitors. A patient can order meals according to an individual menu. Arrange your trip to Zdislava Hospital with Bookimed. Bookimed provides 24/7 support, free treatment arrangements, a personal medical coordinator, and protects your interests before, during and after your medical trip. Bookimed collects independent patient reviews about clinics and doctors to help you get the best experience. Only a patient, or an accompanying person, who has booked the clinic on the Bookimed website can give feedback. Thank you for your time. We have been working since 2014, and during this period we have gained invaluable experience in solving medical issues of any complexity. Submit a request on the Bookimed website for free assistance and medical trip arrangement. A medical coordinator will study your case and contact you shortly.